First off, in today's episode, I want to give you a glimpse of the hard work that was required to make this car roadworthy. Secondly, you deserve an explanation of the problems I had during initial startup that caused me to say...
What?
Oh, that's not good.
What's wrong?
And no law, the reef so poem got an anti-gravity and niggas stay flow. This nigga raw me, bitch, but bitch, show my pop, play old me. One half best tag team.
Yep, broke my slave cylinder for the clutch. Going to have to replace that.
And I've been this way, shout out. And I've been this way, bitch. And I've been this way, shout out. And I've been this way, bitch.
Sharp like knife, better fuck, I'm stuck in the guts of the night. And I'm ready on the right. Please pass that already, alright. Can't steady, he's steady on the mic. What the fuck else can he do right? Step arm heavy and he brought mic. Never step light, no fair fights. We got the drugs y'all wanted. Take a suck on the tail of a comet. I'm so high you a hobbit. Dick level, please back up off it. Better off dead like Paulus. It ain't no Ringo Starless. Me and Mike, we are friends of the farmers. If we run out, we might cop your whole harvest.
And I've been this way, shout out. And I've been this way, bitch. And I've been this way, shout out. And I've been this way, bitch. And I've been this way, shout out.
One time for
And I've been this way, bitch.
one time for the peel and the beef.
And I've been this way, shout out.
One time for the
And I've been this way, bitch.
Go, 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 go,
Got a sport coat on. He's fancy.
Right.
Look at that fancy guy. You're on fire, Art. You're on fire.
I owe you an explanation of what happened during my initial startup of the engine.
What?
Oh, that's not good.
What's wrong?
So I dumped a bunch of oil from where, I'm not exactly sure, but I think it had to lead to the oil separator tube in the plenum. But it turns out it was inconsequential. It was not really a big deal. I did have some errors with the cam position sensors, but I was able to simply resolve that by swapping sides of the two intake cam position sensors.
Yeah. Gotta have a little fire. You got no fire, you ain't have fun.
Wait.
Shoulders on fire.
You're on fire, kid. Real world class. You're on fire again.
Where? You should really move this carpet,
I
huh?
really should, huh?